Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will be teaching you the equations of uniformly accelerated motion. In driving the equations of uniformly accelerated motion, these are our guides. There are 4 equations of motion. In this video I will drive 2 equations. The first equation of motion is derived from the formula for calculating acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time. Change in velocity over time, which means the difference between the final velocity and the initial velocity. So we can give this in their symbols. A is equal to, V stands in for final velocity as we know, minus initial velocity all over time. We cross multiply. A times T is equal to V minus U. Minus U will cross the equality sign and becomes plus. We can write this formula to give us V equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. Let's now drive the second equation of motion. Average velocity is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity over 2. In the same way, average velocity is equal to distance over time taken. Remember, velocity is displacement or distance over time taken. Average simply means the sum of the final velocity and initial velocity over 2. Since average velocity is equal to this, and average velocity is also equivalent to this, it simply means that V plus U over 2 is equal to S over T. If we cross multiply, we are going to have 2S as equal to V plus U bracket T. We divide both sides by 2. S will be equal to V plus U bracket T all over 2. And this is the second equation of motion. So the first equation of motion is final velocity equals to initial velocity plus the product of acceleration and time. While the second equation of motion is final velocity plus initial velocity times time divided by 2. In my next video, I'll be driving the third equation of motion and the fourth equation of motion. Please don't forget to like and share this post for others to learn. Bye.